got this triple header whiting rig, and what time is it? It's almost 12 o'clock. So before we go to bed, we're gonna cast some line. Yeah, gonna cast this the light rig over there to see if I can catch some fresh bait for tomorrow. Let's put some baits on. Is that what the Malaway wants? A bit of seaweed, a bit of current, a bit of everything. Can I have some of your bait? I'll grab one. Nah, I think this is enough. It's already 12 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, a few casts then, yeah. Out. Tail out. Yeah. Just put two. I reckon I'll put it on, yeah, I'll put it on the bottom one. I've been using this for quite a while now. I've been really successful, guys. I've caught tons of herrings and whitings with it. Oop, that's 12 o'clock. That should be supposed to be bedtime. Alright. Hopefully there's not much seaweed out there. Whiting, herring would be good. Maybe for tomorrow's bait. I can't feel my thingy. Oh, here it is. Fish on. Ooh. Oh no, I lost it. Oh no. It's jumping. I think we've got a herring. Herring? What is it? What is it? I've got a herring. That'll be a fresh bait for tomorrow. Herring? Herring, yeah.
That's awesome, bro. That's awesome.
Perfect.
That's perfect bait. Better than any whiting.
I'll fillet it for tomorrow. So yeah, Vex triple header. Yeah, that's a good size herring too, eh? It will be bait tomorrow. Oh, awesome! Second cast. Just out in the dark. That's my last set of bait there. Give me a fish. It's now 12:16, guys. And yeah, good morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. There's been a lot going on in the background recently, in the past few weeks, and what's that? Okay, I got a hit, sorry. So yeah, there's been a lot going on in the recent weeks. So I haven't been out in the kayak since 2025, and yeah, I feel a little bit guilty for not uploading anything on the channel. So here we are in the middle of the night, middle of the week, fishing, trying to fish for bait for tomorrow. So yeah, a bit later we're gonna do another morning speed run for snapper. So I'm doing a little bit different today because the first time I've done it, man, I was spewing at work. So I came here the night before. I was hoping to get a good rest before we hit the water in the morning. But here I am fishing. So yeah, tomorrow we'll quickly try and ambush some snapper during sunrise. Ooh, I'm getting a hit, eh? So this is the case here, guys. We have a really short window of fishing for snapper here in the shallows. What we're trying to do tomorrow is once we see them in the sonar, we're gonna throw baits on them for them to stick around, hopefully. So later, before I go to bed, I'm gonna cut some muleys and make sure I got something to throw for tomorrow. But so yeah, what is it? Nah, nothing. I think I got a seaweed. So yeah, nah, that's my last cast for tonight, and I'm going to bed. Our turn. Oh, no. Easy on. Okay. All right, we're pretty much set. Hey, just need to drop the rudder down, and we're all set. So I'll stick with the plan today. So whilst drifting towards the ground, I'm gonna start chopping muleys and chum the water as we drift. Just to give you an idea, the area we're fishing, guys, there's a little ledge here, like a stretch along this coast here. That's about around 1.5 meter high. So yeah, fish runs along there every morning, particularly snapper. So that's what we're trying to ambush today. Are you all set, John?
Almost, man.
Almost? Same. 1, 2. So that's what we're gonna have to throw once we get to the zone. Let's set off. Okay, let's go. I reckon this will be quick session. It's all or nothing. There you go. I'm starting to see some life here. Just throw those pearly around. So I've got a Vex 20 grams with a whiting, and see if we can tease some fish with this. Just chopping it here, and the chum is on that corner there. Yeah, that's at the bottom. Yeah, fish could run with it nice and easy. So, and then I've got a jerk shad here which I'm going to play with, so I could stay there, wait for customer. And yeah, I'll see what happens. Okay, we'll see if the moon phase has some effect as well with this type of fishing with a snapper. As you can see here, guys, we've got a big moon today. It was full moon the night before, so I'm still not quite sure if the fishing is still affected by it. We'll yet to see. Because normally, yeah, they hang around this area around this time of the day. So there's a few arches down below here. Yeah, that looks good to me. So this location here, guys, I'm on 9 meters of water, and then if I zoom in, if I go around that area there, that's where the drop off is. Something, so yeah, some fish looking at my bait. Chuck some more food. Hopefully they'll tie some feeding. So that's the ledge, guys. You see that big rise, big bump there, and there's a few life on top of it. I'm just gonna see which one they want. So just throwing the baits this area. We'll see if soft plastic will work this time. Normally when you see them here, they bite straight away. Yep, so John is hooked something on a soft plastic, eh? Nice. You reckon that's a pinky?
Oh man, I hope it doesn't tangle in my other line.
Oh no. Oh shoot. Could have hit.
It doesn't look like a snapper.
What is it?
No, it's a snapper.
Pinky.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Has he got any company? Easy peasy. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, right. Sweet.
Yeah. That could be 50.
What soft plastic is it? Jerk shad?
No, it's like a paddle tail.
Paddle tail?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get him salted. I'll look for fish. Okay. Yeah, that seems to be in this area, but they're not in tight school. Fish on. He's 50 centimeters right at the tip. I can legally keep it. Okay. Go on, Nesky. Alright. Okay. It's gotten really rough off there, so we head in. So I don't think I had the camera on earlier, so we're just gonna measure the fish again. But it was 50 right off the bat. Nose there. That's in there. 50. It's perfect eating size though. Okay, I'll clean this up a little bit, and yeah. Whew. That was it for that episode, guys. And yeah, after that fishing trip, we just sprint back to Perth and head straight for work. So I came home with a 50 centimeters pink snapper, and John got a bigger model, around 60 mark. And before this video ends, I'd like to thank everyone for the support last year. Thank you for all the kind comments and the encouragement, and the others. Thank you for the feedback. I'm just winging it, guys. I'm learning it as I go. Yeah, there's still a lot to learn. And today I thought of it's about time to run you through the gears I use on my kayak fishing trip over the years, guys. Please excuse please excuse the rubbish in the background. So yeah, let's start with the fishing rods and reels. So I call these poor man setup. So let's start with my heaviest setup I've got here. This is a Pen Slammer 3. The size is, I believe this is 4500. Sorry, this is 5500. I've got a multicolor J braid there, 30 pounds and 40-pound leader. Yeah, I had it for about 5 years now, this one. Oh, sorry, 4 years. And yeah, it's still going good. I haven't had a major major maintenance on this one. It's still running smooth. So the rod here is Saltist. At that time, this is only $100. So that was a great setup. So the whole setup here is around 350. That's the heaviest. I only bring this, guys, when I'm fishing from boat and during South Coast trips. So that one is done. So here's one of my favorite reel. This is Penn Spin Fisher 4500. I put a 20 pound J braid there, 300 meters, and 40-pound leader. And yeah, this is what I use when hunting for jewies around here in the southwest. And the rod is another cheap one, guys. This is Daiwa Crossfire 601. I don't know what that HFS means, but yeah. So this rod is mainly for casting. Sometimes I use this reel for jigging as well. So these two rods here, I'll change them depending on how I feel. So yeah, but majority of the time, this is the combo. Okay. Next one is, this is my jigging rod. I use this on most of my trip as well. So this is PE2 jigging rod, and that is the name of the rod, guys. I bought it secondhand for $100. Shogun Slow Jig PE2. So the reel is Fluger Salt 040 SW. I put a Nomad Design 30-pound braid on that one, multicolor as well, and a 30-pound leader. So basically, I always run with these two, and they're doing the job just fine. I've got an extra here, another jigging rod. So this is Abu Garcia reel 5000. So again, this heavier setup, what I usually bring on my South Coast trips. I've got a 40-pound braid in there, and I think that's 45 leader there as well. And onto another second-hand jigging rod. It's called Jigging Game. I bought it for $100 second-hand off the Facebook. This is PE3, by the way. There, that's PE3. Yeah, that's all of my setup. They're really basic, not really expensive, and yeah, doing the job just fine. Okay, put them all away. Again, kayak. So let's move on to the kayak, guys. That's my old one. It's for sale. That's an Hobie Outback. I had that for about 4 years, and now I upgraded to to Hobie Revolution. So that's now for sale, guys. If you're interested in this, let me know. But yeah, so here's our new setup here. So this is a Hobie Revolution. As you can see, it's slightly, oh not slightly, it is a lot slimmer than the old one. So the purpose of that to like get more speed. I sacrificed a little bit of stability with this, but I'm currently enjoying it. The upgrades that I've got here, guys, is just a really I like everything simple, guys, because the reason being is I do a lot of beach launching, so I don't want anything that's hanging off the kayak or sticking out, just like this one. I just recently added this, but I can easily put this away during surf launching. Just stow it like that, and that's out of the way. It's not sticking out as much. My sounder. Some guys are asking what sounder do I use. This is another inexpensive gear that I have, and it's working well for me. So this is Lowrance Hook Reveal 5. It comes with a map as well. That map can be quite useful sometimes. As I mentioned, I don't like anything that sticks out when launching. So that is so when launching, this lives in there. So when I launch through the surf, that is all I have. Nothing sticking out pretty bad there. All the bits and bobs were stored away somewhere at the back. I've got another bag there that I use. So once I'm in the safe zone, I just, you know, slide my bum up to here and reach for my sounder. Install it there. Only it'll take about maximum 10 minutes to get everything set up. That's all the contours. Yeah, yeah, sometimes they're quite helpful, but I don't really rely on them. So that's the line there, and my battery lives here. For my sounder, I'm using this battery, FBB Power 12 volts 17.5. So yeah, that's the battery I use. You can run it for, I've been on 2-3 days kayak fishing trips. We've been fishing all day, and yeah, I never run out of battery with this one. So it's really basic setup, guys. So that just lives there. And transducer, that's the good thing about this 2015 Revolution, because transducer is installed over here. That's the transducer recess there. So that's directly installed. So with this, I never unplug my power cable there. So every after use, I just unplug the transducer wire. So unplug it. If I want to take that off, oops, sorry. So that, I'll put a plastic there. I've got a plastic especially for this when storing, and I can take this with me. I could stay there. There you go. This could go back there. This is just all right, yeah, like as you've seen, really simple setup. For safety, guys, I'm running with these. This is slightly expensive PFD. in the market. I bought it for $200, but yeah, what makes it special is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, like so many pockets, guys. So every time I go, this is where I stowed my PLB. This is a must. We're going offshore, otherwise you'll get pinged. It's all for your safety, guys. I wouldn't go out without that. PLB and a marine radio somewhere, you know, I can either chuck it, just hang it there. So yeah, that's the safety. And flares, I've got another dry bag that's always, this always lives here. So it's always hanging like that for easy access, guys. Just in case, you know, for emergency, I can quickly unclip that, and there I have my my flares, my phones, and other personal stuff. GoPro camera batteries are in there as well, so they live here at the back. And here at the back is the catch bag, so just the catch bag here on the remaining space. So yeah, I think that covers everything, I think. Oh, by the way, here is my pedal drive. I've got a turbo drive there. It doesn't have a reverse, guys, for this model, but yeah, I don't think reverse wouldn't be that useful offshore. I'm not so sure, but yeah, that is doing just fine. And excuse the rubbish there at the back. An upgraded rudder. This is large rudder that will greatly assist when steering. And yeah, that covers everything. That's the whole setup, guys. Really simple. You don't have to yeah, you can easily complicate things by, you know, bringing a lot that you don't really use. But yeah, for me, less is more.